I'm here in Delhi, in India, and behind me is the Red Fort. But unfortunately, I'm not gonna go in. I'm actually walking away from this place. I wanted just to see it outside. There it is from the outside. Absolutely so many people taking photos everywhere, locals and tourists. There's a playground there too, but I do want to exit this place and head this way. I'm gonna cross the road here. The Red Fort is just there. I'm gonna cross in this madness. We'll make it happen. So much traffic. Oh my God. You just like, you gotta just keep moving, like, you know, and point the hand and keep walking. And oh my God, how did we survive this? What is this here though? I didn't know this existed. Well, let's go and check it out. What's this here like? The Red Fort is just there. You probably can see it. And I honestly did not know that this thing here, but we're gonna have a look. There are those temples. Jain Sathitya Sadan. Oh yeah, I am so glad I started this video because I wasn't sure, but now it's good. It's just like the way how it is in India, I guess. Like, you gotta just keep going with it. So there are two temples next to each other. And I see another beautiful building in the distance. I'm gonna go and check it out as well. We're gonna walk this street. And you get to see like a lot of the bicycle tuk-tuk, or the, or should I say the tricycles here. So crowded, this street actually. Well, I shouldn't be saying this. It's pretty much crowded everywhere. Huh? Old Delhi?
Yes.
This is Old Delhi?
Spice market.
Spice market?
Spice market, bedding market, silk market, silver market, old houses, old towers, everything to it.
Oh, very nice.
You see?
I sit.
Yes.
Kidna.
I do that. No problem.
No, I don't like that. This is the one thing I really don't like. When they say that to me, I hate it.
Money not expensive.
10 rupee. That's it.
10 rupees.
It's what I like.
10 rupees beggar man.
It's what I like. No, I don't want. I want to walk. Thank you, brother. That's random. Oh, stop.